Hello guys, this is your boy Crypto Warlord with a new video, and in this video we're going to explain how to register to Binance. Binance is one of the largest cryptocurrency trading platforms or websites. So in this video we're going to explain how you could register. So you could use the link down below in the description, which is going to give you 5% discount of your trading fees. Or you could just simply go to Binance.com and start registering. So first of all, you would need either an email address or a mobile phone number to be able to register to this website. So, well, in this case, in this video, I'm going to use my email address to register. So you would have to enter or write down your email address. So I'm just going to use an email that I made just to be able to register for just explanation, guys. So you're going to write down your email address first of all. So after you write down your email address, you would need to form a password as well, and this password has to have like some special characters, and you would have to have an uppercase letter at the beginning of the word, because that's how it works these days. So you would need to have a special character, and you would need to have an uppercase letter as well, and a number. So just think of a password that's going to be really hard for anyone to predict, because after all, you're going to deposit money to this account, and you don't want anyone to be able to know your password and after that take all of your money away or anything. So you need to enter a password, a strong one, as we said. So that's what I'm going to do right now. Then you click on I've read and agree to Binance term of service, and after that you create an account. You just do the simple security verification trick, and after that it will take you to another page, and you would have to enter an email verification code. So they will send you a verification code to your email address, or if you've chosen to register using your mobile phone, they will send you an SMS message to your mobile phone. So you just need to enter that verification code that you've received. Well, in my case, it's 856396. You need to write it down, and after that, it will take you to this page, and it will say welcome to Binance. You've already created an account. So to verify your account, you would just need to click on verify. Simple and easy like that. So you would need to verify your account to be able to withdraw or deposit money to Binance. So you would have to click on start now to verify your account, and after that you would need to choose where exactly do you live. And you would need to write down your first name, your last name, your middle name. You have to choose your date of birth, okay? So, well, in my case, I will just write down Binance, last name me, middle name me. Then you would have to choose your date of birth as well. So I'm just going to choose my date of birth, the 22nd of January 1993. After that you click on continue, and you would have to enter your residential address. So you would have to write down anything. Let's say, for example, in my case, I will write down Binance, and I live in Binance. Well, you would have to write down your actual address, and then your postal code. You would need to write down your postal code as well. Then it will take you to this page which would ask you to have some sort of an identity verification. You would have to use either your ID card, passport, or a driver's license, and after that you just upload this document, and after that it will say verified. You've already registered to Binance and verified your account. You will be able to withdraw, and you will be able to deposit money to Binance. So this was our video for today, guys. If you like the content, just like the video, subscribe to the channel, and we're going to post content related to cryptocurrency trading and technical analysis and stuff like that. So I hope you've liked the video. If you like the video, just click thumbs up, and see you in another video.
Hi friends, today I will show you how you can download Binance, how you can sign up Binance on your mobile phone and use it. First of all, entering the App Store. If you use Android, you should go Play Store. I am writing here Binance and I'm just thinking download. I downloaded this before, so I will just open. As you see, this is the icon of Binance. I just click it and open. As you see, there's a writing login or register and the yellow writing. We are just touching that, and at the bottom there's a register. I just click this yellow register. Nice to meet you. Okay. If you have just email address, you can sign up Binance. You can create an account on Binance. I'm writing here my email address. I will enter here password. Password should have upper and lower case letters and numbers. Here there's referral ID, optional. I just click. There is commission reward here. If you write here my referral ID. My referral ID is, if you write this referral code to here, you will get 5% discount of all your trade. This is really good saving in the middle term. You will get BNB from here. For example, you spent $1,000 in commission and you will get $50. This is good rate. This code is good for you. Okay. Then I am going down and just click here. Register. Binance will send an email to my mailbox. I am doing puzzle. Okay. As you see, there is send code right here. I just click send code and the Binance sent an email to my mailbox. I just click. Okay. My code is 349337. I just click submit. All is done. I download Binance mobile app and I create an account. My account is activated now. What will I do after this? I will send cryptocurrency or money to my Binance account. For this, I just click the wallets at the bottom right. I will click the icons. As you see, there is a little eye at the top. If you click this, the all price will unshown. I just click this and I will deposit Bitcoin to my Binance account. For this, I just click deposit. I choose BTC. This is my Bitcoin deposit address. I am using another Bitcoin exchange, so I will send some Bitcoin from other Bitcoin exchange, for example OKX, to my Binance account. So for this, I'm just copying this address. I will paste it to the another exchange, that exchange. Okay. I sent some Bitcoin to my address. For this, I'm just refreshing my wallets. And here's my monies and altcoins and bitcoins. After this, I will make trade. I will show you how you can trade in Binance mobile app. You can see the market tab. I just click that, and here some parity you can see. For example, BTC, BNB, Engine, TRX, something like that. I will trade Bitcoin, so I click Bitcoin USDT, so dollars, and I will click the sell. There is 3 types trade in the Bitcoin world. Just click limit order, market order, stop order. I will tell these step by step. Firstly, click it market order. In this option, for example, I want to sell my Bitcoins, half of them. If I click sell BTC, I will directly sell my BTC and I will get the dollars. And the price is $11,600. The price is current currency price, the market price. You cannot change the price in this option. But limit order. For example, you think Bitcoin price will go up and you want to get profit from this. So I I'm writing here $15,000. If I click sell, my order is here, as you see. If the price come $15,000, my order will execute. Okay, limit order is this. And then I just click cancel. And then finally, I will check stop limit. I came to stop limit. Here, as you see, stop limit. For example, firstly, I will put the price. In this option, our aim is reduce our damage, reduce our loss. For example, price is now $11,000, but for example, I'm sleeping and the price go down dramatically. For example, it happened $3,000. In this case, we can set stop limit order for reducing or limiting our loss, our damage. Okay, I clicked half, and if I click sell BTC, my order will go system. Yes, friends, I told you how you can create a Binance account in your mobile phone. I told you how you can download Binance mobile app and use it. I transferred money from other exchange to my Binance account and I made some trade, market top limit and limit trade. I hope you like my video. I am a little request from you, my dear viewer. I am very new channel on YouTube and I need your help. If you like my video and comment to my video, YouTube take me to the top. And I really need this. And please subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Goodbye.